Bamboo basket, reflector, working brakes, never forget your helmet, trusty Mipsy. I'm off to the morning market. 33 lemons, a healthy looking chicken, and a dozen of free range eggs. Thanks, keep the change. Whistling a tune, ooh, I'm home. What a perfect day. I hang my sheets out in the yard, oiled out my baking tray, thinking about you, mother, to recite your famous words. All you need are salt and pepper to taste the happiness of life forever. Then the moon rose, cream lemon chicken roasted in the oven. Men in black kicked down my front door. Hey, who, what, why? You violated Act 617, illegal thoughts, you're under arrest. We all know the real answer is you shouldn't have been born the way you are. And we're packed on a cargo choo-choo train, pushing against the body similar to me, with tears running down our faces we began to sing. They could never take a thing from our souls, louder and louder. They could never take a thing from our souls, louder and louder. They shaved off my hair, fed me a foreign language, looking on the bright side.
Yeah?
I'm alive, I still remember all the people I love. So come with me and do your worst. All this pain and suffer don't stand a chance against our iron hearts. As the morning came and went, and the people stayed and left, and the earth went round and around, the stars never looked so kind, the wind ever so fragrant through the tiny slit on the wall. Every night I was invited to watch our theater played by moonlit birds. They spread their wings carrying our silence voices, singing our historic songs, letting everyone in the future know that we existed. What a perfect night. I felt the urge to write a book, pass down my life. Till recently time didn't feel so fast with my bloody fingertip. All I needed were sticks and paper. I started to write poems after poems. Then the moonlit birds came to meet me and snagged the key and opened the gates. We're finally free. Picked up my bicycle, riding home to mother, riding my delusion world. I saw a version of heaven where I sat in my yard, and the paperback print of my book. On the hillside, your little fist clutching sweat, walking to the memorial park. You put down freshly cut white chrysanthemums, a form of thought police. Those had children lying on the grass, singing to poems written by me. Do 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 do.